Does the length of the loan term affect whether the debt is ultimately beneficial or harmful?
Yung beneficial or harmful, dalawang perspective yan. The finance and the emotional. It can be advantage siya or beneficial siya sa finance, pero emotionally harmful na siya kasi nga nan-anxiety attack ka na kasi nauubusan ka na ng liquidity. Let's say lang, meron kang 1.5 million pesos. Tapos may plano kang bumili ng isang sasakyan. Yung value niya is 1.2 million pesos. Kaya mo siyang bayaran, cash. 300,000 na lang yung maiiwan sa'yo. Tapos meron ka pang mga expenses na kailangan mo pang bayaran. You may have a business, yung tuition ng anak mo, yung personal expenses mo. Even if you can pay it off in cash, pero hindi ka masyadong liquid. Kasi nga, yung pera, you turned it into a car. Baka, you were able to pay it off pero wala kang peace of mind. Parang meron ka ng anxiety issues kasi kulang ka na ng funding. That's where you can maximize the loan. Yes, nagbabayad ka ng interest, pero liquid ka pa rin because you're just paying off the monthly allocation and you can still use the funds for something else that can generate money to pay off the monthly amortization ulit. You just have to really consider your current financial status and your emotional IQ as well. That's why an alternative solution can be you extend the term para mas magaan yung monthly amortization mo. Yes, may binabayaran kang interest. The bigger picture is that you can still pay it off and emotionally, kaya mo siyang i-take yung risk. After 3 years, tapos na. At the end of the day, it really boils down to you kung ano yung preference mo.